हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं BL शर्मा, मैथ्स साहब। We'll discuss exercise 4.3 of chapter 4, that is quadratic equations of class 10th mathematics, and this is part 4. And we are using here the quadratic formula to find out the roots of the quadratic equations. So question number 1 is of exercise 4.3 is on your screen. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations if they exist by the method of completing the square method, completing the square. This method, completing the square, is deleted this year in class 10. There is only the means factorization method and quadratic formula. So we shall be start doing from question number 2. कंप्लीटिंग द स्क्वायर मेथड 10th में CBSE ने डिलीट कर दिया है इस साल के लिए, तो अब इन क्वेश्चंस को हम क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला से सॉल्व करेंगे। देखिए, तो हियर इज फाइंड द रूट्स ऑफ द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन गिवन इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 above by applying the quadratic formula. So our first part is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. It is also written if they exist. अगर roots exist करेंगे, root exist means if real root exists, yes, then only we have to find out the roots, otherwise not. So it means we have to find out, we have to determine the nature of roots first. So comparing with the coefficient of comparing with the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We have a is 2, b is minus 7, and c is 3. Then we find out the determinant, that is b square minus, it is not determinant, it is discriminant, b square minus 4ac. So minus 7 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3, that is 49 minus 24, that is 25. So we write here since and which is greater than 0. So since discriminant is greater than 0, therefore roots are real and distinct. ये हमने इसका नेचर ऑफ रूट फाइंड आउट किया है, and that is yes. So now we have to apply the quadratic formula here. So the quadratic formula is this: x is equal to given by minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac, or we can also write x is equal to minus b plus minus the square root of b upon 2a. Because b square minus 4ac, that is given by d. Discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac की जगह we can write d. We already have calculated d. So that is x is equal to minus, what is b? That is minus 7 plus minus square root of 25 upon 2 into a is 2. So x is equal to 7 plus minus 5 upon 4. Yes. So therefore, therefore 1 time plus x is equal to 7 plus 5 by 4, and x इज इक्वल टू 7 माइनस 5/4। एक बार आपको प्लस लेना है और एक बार आपको माइनस लेना है। Therefore, x can be written as 12/4 and this side that is 2/4. So, finally we can write, therefore, roots are 3 and 1/2 answer. Because 12/4 is 3 and 2/4 is 1/2. So this is the answer of this question. इनके जो रूट्स हैं वो है 3 and 1/2. That is answer of this question. So roots are 3 and 1/2. This is the answer of the question of the very first part. Means this 2x square minus 7x plus 3. पहले ये पता करेंगे डिस्क्रिमिनेंट से कि रूट्स रियल है या नहीं है। रूट्स रियल है, देन वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट दी रूट्स, अदरवाइज नॉट। Second part, it is 2x square plus 1x minus 4 is equal to 0. Comparing with the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We have a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, and c is minus 4. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to minus 4. The discriminant is given by b square minus 4ac, that is 1 whole square minus 4 into 2 into minus 4, that is 1 minus minus plus, that is 32, that is 33, and which is greater than 0. Therefore, we can say since the discriminant is greater than 0, so we can write here roots are real and distinct. जो इनके रूट्स हैं वो रियल हैं और डिफरेंट है। डिस्टिंक्ट मीन्स डिफरेंट। Now, using the quadratic formula here, the value of x is given by minus b upon, this is the quadratic formula, minus b plus minus square root of b upon 2a. So x is equal to minus b is 1 plus minus b is square root of 33 upon 2 and a is 2. So x can be given by minus 1 plus minus root 33 upon 4. So this is the answer of this question. You can write combinedly. आप चाहो तो इसको separately भी लिख सकते हो, -1 plus square root of 33/4 and -1 minus 33/4. Otherwise, this is also the correct answer of this question. These are the correct roots. So you can write the root, therefore. Finally, we can write, therefore, roots are -1 plus root 33/4 and -1 minus root 33/4 answer. And that's all for this question. Third part, 4x square plus 4 into square root of 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. First of all, we will find out its discriminant, and through discriminant we will determine the nature of roots. पहले हम इसका discriminant find out करेंगे. So comparing with the coefficient of the with the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We have a is 4, b is 4 into root 3, and c is 3. Now discriminant will be a square minus 4ac, that is 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a into c, that is, देखिए स्क्वायर कैसे करते हैं. 4 square is 16, root 3 square is 3. So 16 into 3 minus 4 4 are 16 into 3, that is 48 minus 48, that is 0. Since discriminant is 0, therefore, what about nature of roots? कैसा है nature of roots? So nature of roots is roots are real and equal. मीन्स के रूट्स होंगे रियल भी होंगे और इक्वल भी होंगे. इक्वल मीन्स सेम रिपीटेड रूट्स, यू कैन से काफी नामों से इसको यू कैन से इट. Repeating roots, equal roots, same roots, it is like that. So therefore now using the quadratic formula, that is given by x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of d upon 2a. Therefore x can be written as minus b upon 2a. प्लस माइनस डी लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है because this is 0. So that is minus into what is b? b is 4 root 3 upon what is a? That is twice, and a is 4. So further we can write, you can also simplify. That is 4 is cancelled by 4 minus root 3 by 2. Therefore, क्योंकि ये repeated roots है, दो roots है, therefore we can write that roots are minus 3 by 2 and minus, क्योंकि रूट्स तो दो ही होंगे लेकिन दोनों इक्वल होते हैं. दैट इज व्हाई वी कैन राइट द बोथ रूट्स आर minus root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2, and that's all for this question. ये इसका आंसर है. The student, please keep a notebook with you and start writing. If you don't write, you cannot means recall in the examination. आप अगर आपने कहीं लिख नहीं रखा है, आपने प्रैक्टिस नहीं की है, आपका रिपीटेशन नहीं हुआ है, तो एग्जाम में आपको ये चीजें लर्न नहीं होगी. तो बार बार अपनी नोटबुक में सारे क्वेश्चंस को एक बार देख के और एक बार 3 बार बिना देख के इसको सोल्व आप करें. Fourth part, that is 2x square plus 1x plus 4 is equal to 0. So comparing with the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We have a is 2, b is 1, and c is 4. Now we have to find out the discriminant, and discriminant D is given by B square minus 4AC. That is 1 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 4. That is 1 minus 32. That is minus 31, and which is less than 0. Discriminant इसका negative है. Therefore, what about nature of roots? Therefore, roots are not real, and that is the answer of this question. इसके जो रूट्स हैं वो रियल नहीं है, और यू कैन से रियल रूट्स does not exist. That's all for this question. या आप लिख सकते हैं इसके रियल रूट एग्जिस्ट नहीं करते या रियल रूट नहीं है. दैट इज वाई, और क्वेश्चन लिखा है इफ दे एग्जिस्ट, अगर एग्जिस्ट करेंगे तभी हम इसके रूट्स फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. बट इन दिस केस सिंस डिस्क्रिमिनेंट डी नेगेटिव है, डिस्क्रिमिनेंट नेगेटिव है, तो इसके रियल रूट एग्जिस्ट नहीं करेंगे. और एग्जाम में भी आप हमें यही लिखना है कि सिंस रियल रूट डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट. That's all for this question. Question number 3. Find the roots of the following equation. So first part is x minus 1 upon x is equal to 3. Taking LCM x, पहले हम इसको quadratic form में लिखेंगे. That is x square minus 1 is equal to 3. That is x square minus 1 is equal to 3x. Further, it is x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. ये quadratic form इसका हो गया है. That is x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0, and this is a quadratic equation. ये quadratic form हो गया है. ये फाइंड आउट करने के बाद हमें इसका नेचर पता करना पड़ेगा. फॉर द नेचर ऑफ रूट्स वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट डी. सो कंपेयरिंग विद the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We have a is 1, b is minus 3, and c is minus 1. A is 1, b is minus 3, and c is minus 3. Now, second task is to find out the discriminant. Discriminant is given by b square minus 4ac. Discriminant हम b square minus 4ac के मेथड से फाइंड आउट करते हैं. So that is minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus, so 3 3s are 9, plus that is 9 4. So we can write 13, and which is greater than 0. Therefore, डिस्क्रिमिनेंट फाइंड आउट करने के बाद हमें ये पता लगाया कि क्या कैसा नंबर है. 13 पॉजिटिव नंबर है, ग्रेटर देन 0 है. एंड व्हेन डिस्क्रिमिनेंट इज ग्रेटर देन 0, then roots are real and distinct. दो रूट होंगे, रियल होंगे, और दोनों अलग अलग होंगे. नाउ अप्लाइंग द क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला. यस, देखिए x is equal to now minus b, x is equal to minus b, minus as it is, and b is equal to minus 3, plus minus d is root 13, and a is 1. So x is plus 3, root 13 upon 3. So x is equal to means 3 plus root 3 upon 3, 13 upon 3, and 3x is equal to 3 minus root 13 upon 3. Therefore, roots are 3 plus root 13 upon 3 and 3 minus root 13 upon 3, and this is आंसर ऑफ दिस वन। एक बार आप प्लस लेंगे और एक बार आप नेगेटिव लेंगे। ये दो रूट्स हैं, दोनों ही रियल रूट हैं। यस, और ये इनके डिफरेंट भी रूट है, बिकॉज वन इज प्लस एंड अदर इज माइनस। दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस फर्स्ट पार्ट। सेकेंड पार्ट, 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 इक्वल टू 11 अपॉन 30। ये x इज इक्वल टू -4 नहीं होना चाहिए, x इज इक्वल टू 7 भी नहीं होना चाहिए। ऐसे होता है कि if in denominator you put -4 then -4 plus 4 will be 0। डिनोमिनेटर 0 नहीं होना चाहिए। in that case the number does not exist, that is why। so for this what we will be doing here, पहले हम इसका एलसीएम लेके इसको क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करते हैं। देखिए x plus 4 into x minus 7, that is LCM, 1 into x minus 7 minus x plus 4, that is 11 upon 30. Open the bracket, x minus 7 minus x minus 4, x square minus 3x minus 28, that is 11 upon 30. X plus 4 into x minus 7, that is x square minus 3x minus 28. Further, plus x minus x cancel, so we can write minus 7 and minus 4, that is minus 11, into 30 upon 11, that is x square minus 3x minus 20। देखिए ये -7 -4 -11 है। 30 को क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, दैट इज 30, और 11 को भी क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 11, एंड एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 3x माइनस 28 विल गो दिस साइड। 11 and 11 that is also cancelled, so further we can write on simplification that x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to minus 30। देखिए x square minus 3x minus 28 as it is, and this minus 30 when is minus 30, इसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता लेफ्ट टू राइट और राइट टू लेफ्ट एक्सचेंज करने का। बट एंड फर्दर x square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 is equal to 0, so x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0। Now, student, you can do it by the method of factorization. You can also do it by the quadratic formula. तो मुझे factorization method, because it is not written over here कि कौन से method से use करें। So factors of x square minus 3x plus 2, that is ये हमारे पास आ गया। Now we have to find out the nature of roots. So comparing with the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We have a is 1, b is -3, and c is 2. So discriminant will be given by b square minus 4ac, that is minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 2, that is 9 minus 8, that is 1, and which is greater than 0. Therefore रूट्स जब डिस्क्रिमिनेंट 0 से बड़ा होता है, ग्रेटर देन 0 होता है, पॉजिटिव होता है, तो रूट्स कैसे होते हैं? रूट्स आर रियल एंड डिस्टिंक्ट, मींस डिफरेंट, दो रूट होंगे और दोनों अलग अलग होंगे. Now using the quadratic formula here. Now using the quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b upon 2a. So we can write here x is equal to minus, that is minus 3 plus minus square root of 1, that is 2 into 1. So minus 3 plus minus 1 upon 2, because square root of 1 is 1. So we can write further. So we can write one time plus, other time minus, x is equal to minus 3 plus 1 upon 2, and x is equal to minus 3 minus 1 upon 2. So x is equal to minus 2 by 2, x is equal to minus 4 by 2. So further we can write the answer is, on further solution, it is means x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 2. So roots are, sorry, this is minus minus plus, that is also plus plus. So that is 4 by 2 plus, and that is 2 by 2 plus. So that is x is equal to, I'll have to simplify it further. I'll make it correct. That is 2, because 4 by 2 is 2 and 2 by 2 is 1. And x is equal to 1. Why it is plus? Because minus into minus, that is plus. So therefore you can write the zeros are, therefore, sorry, it is not zeros, it is not polynomial, ये quadratic equation है. Therefore roots are 2 and 1. Answer. That's all for this question. Question number 4. The sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find their percentages. So let percentage of Rahman be X years. Present age Rahman का X year है. Age before 3 years. 3 साल पहले कितना होगा? That is X minus 3 years. His age after 5 years will be X plus 5. देखिए ये है 3 years अगो, आज से वर्तमान से प्रेजेंट से 3 साल पहले, दैट इज x-3 years, और प्रेजेंट एज से 5 साल बाद मीन्स फ्रॉम नाउ दैट विल बी x+5 years. इट इज गिवन दैट, क्वेश्चन में गिवन है कि their reciprocals, sum of their ages minus x-3, the reciprocal of their ages means before 3 years and after 5 years of Rahman's age, it is given, अगर उनको रेसिप्रोकल का एज को ऐड करेंगे, इट इज गिवन 1/3. ये हमारा एक इक्वेशन बना है, लेकिन ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन नहीं. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बाय टेकिंग द एलसीएम. So that is x-3, x+5, x+5 plus, that is 1/3. Further simplification, x plus x to x plus 5 minus 3, that is 2. So 2x plus 2, x minus 3 into x plus 5, that is x square plus 2x minus 15, that is 1/3. On further simplification, that is we can write 3 2x plus 2 into 1 x square plus 2x minus 15, that is 6x plus 6, that is x square plus 2x minus 15. On further simplification, that is x square minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. Right. Now we can find out, we can factorize it by splitting the middle term, or we can do it by the quadratic formula. Factorization इसका easy है. देखिए ऐसे दो नंबर तलाशिए जिनका प्रोडक्ट -21 हो, डिफरेंस 4 हो, तो 7 and means 3, we can write x square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 is equal to 0. Taking x common, x minus 7 plus 3 common, x minus 7 is equal to 0. Again x minus 7 and x plus 3 is equal to 0. तो यहां पे देखेंगे हम, देखिए अभी, therefore putting both the factors equal to 0, therefore either x minus 7 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. So that is x is equal to 7 or x is equal to -3. We know that age cannot be negative. X is what? Age, present age. Present age negative नहीं हो सकता. That is why what we have to do, this is x minus 3 is rejected. Therefore, x is equal to 7. Therefore, we can write final answer is equal to, therefore, present age of Rahman is equal to 7 years, and that is the answer of this question. Question number 5. In a class test, the sum of Cephali's marks in mathematics and English, that is 30. तो जो मैथमेटिक्स और इंग्लिश है दोनों का सम, दोनों में टोटल 30 मार्क्स आए हैं. Had she got 2 marks more, अगर if she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ देयर मार्क्स वुड हैव बीन 210। अगर उसके मैथमेटिक्स में 2 मार्क्स ज्यादा आते और इंग्लिश में 3 मार्क्स कम आते, और उनका जो प्रोडक्ट तब होता, that would have been 210. So let Cephal's marks in maths bx, therefore her marks in English will be 30 माइनस एक्स। दोनों का सम 30 है। मैथ्स में एक्स आ चुके हैं तो इंग्लिश में आएंगे 30 माइनस एक्स। अब कंडीशन अप्लाई करते हैं। हैड शी गोट 2 मार्क्स मोर इन मैथ्स, नाउ 2 मार्क्स इसके ज्यादा मैथ्स में आते, नाउ गिवन दैट मैथ्स में मार्क्स है एक्स और मैथ्स में मार्क्स आते x+2, इंग्लिश में मार्क्स है 30 माइनस एक्स, इसमें 3 मार्क कम कर दीजिएगा तो जो उनका प्रोडक्ट है दैट इज 210। सी मार्क्स इन मैथमेटिक्स इज एक्स, 2 मार्क्स उसमें ऐड करिए, मार्क्स इन इंग्लिश दैट इज 30 माइनस एक्स, इसमें 3 कम करिए और दोनों का प्रोडक्ट दैट वुड हैव बीन 210। सो x+2 into 27 minus x, that is 210. On multiplication, that is minus x square plus 25x plus 54. Further calculation, that is x square, दोनों तरफ नेगेटिव से मल्टीप्लाई करिए, -1 से 25x plus 156 is equal to 0. This is required quadratic equation. हम इसको we can do it by the method of factorization, we can also do it by the quadratic formula, जो जिससे भी आप चाहें, लेकिन मैं इसको फॉर्मूला से करूंगा। ऐसे 2 नंबर तलाशिए जिनका प्रोडक्ट 156 हो, जिनका सम 25 हो, 12 and 13. So we can write here further x square minus 12x minus 13x plus 156 is equal to 0. Factorization by splitting the middle term. Further, we can take x common, that is x minus 12 minus 13 common, x minus 12 is 0, x minus 12 further common, x minus 13 is 0. So, putting both factors equal to 0, therefore x minus 12 is equal to 0 or x minus 13 is equal to 0. Therefore, x can be 12 or x can be 13. Yes, 12 x किसके मार्क्स माने हमने सपोज किया है मैथमेटिक्स में मार्क्स x है तो मैथ्स में 13 भी आ सकते हैं और सॉरी 12 भी मार्क्स हो सकते हैं और 13 भी हो सकते हैं। Therefore, there are 2 conditions now. Therefore, maths mark, that is x is equal to 12. Therefore, English marks will be 30. एक तो ये पॉसिबिलिटी बनती है, और हम सपोज करते हैं मैथ्स मार्क्स If we take 13, then English marks will be 12. So there are two possibilities. मैथ्स मार्क्स 12 होंगे तो इंग्लिश में 13 होंगे, मैथ्स मार्क्स 13 होंगे तो इंग्लिश में 12 मार्क्स होंगे. सो हियर आर टू पॉसिबिलिटीज. दोनों ही आपको अगर एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आता है तो ये दोनों ही पॉसिबिलिटी आपको लिखनी है. दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Question number 6. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, find the side of the field. ये हमारा एक रेक्टेंगुलर फील्ड है, मींस जो फील्ड है वो रेक्टेंगल जैसा है. उसमें ये शॉर्टर साइड मान लीजिए, द शॉर्टर साइड बी लेट, दैट इज एक्स. ये लॉन्गर साइड लेफ्ट, ये जो है साइड इसे 30 मीटर मोर है, दैट इज एक्स प्लस 30 मीटर. एंड दिस डायगोनल इज 60 मीटर मोर देन द शॉर्टर साइड. शॉर्टर साइड में सबसे छोटी साइड एक्स है, तो ये जो डायगोनल है इसमें ये होगा एक्स प्लस 60 meter. We know each angle of a rectangle is 90 degree. So we can write here let shorter side be x meter and longer side is given will be x plus 30 meter and diagonal is given by x plus 60 meter. Using Pythagoras theorem, we can say that AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So here we can write x plus 30 whole square plus x square is x plus 60 whole square. That is x square plus 60x plus 900 plus x square, that is x square plus 120x plus 3600. आपको इसको अब फाइंड आउट करना है. So it will be the quadratic equation on will be on solving it. It will be x square is cancelled by this x square. So it will be x square minus 60x minus 2700 is equal to 0. मैं इसको डायरेक्टली सिंप्लीफाई कर रहा हूं, आप इसको कर लीजिएगा. Yes. Now this is a required quadratic equation. अब इसको हम सोल्व करेंगे बाय द मेथड ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला और बाय द मेथड बाय द फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड, जो भी इजी लगे. मैं यहाँ पे आपको इसका फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड से करूंगा. एंड वी नो द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द टू नंबर शुड बी 2700 एंड द डिफरेंस शुड बी 60. तो 90 एंड 30, 90 और 30 का प्रोडक्ट 2700 है, 90 और 30 का डिफरेंस 60 है. सो वी कैन राइट हियर yes. So on further solution, that is x square minus 90x plus 30x minus 2700 is equal to 0. x common, x minus 90, 30 common, x minus 90 0. So further x plus 30, x minus 90 is equal to 0. Putting each factor, therefore, x is plus 30 is equal to 0 or x minus 90 is equal to 0. If we take x plus 30 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 30 और x is equal to 90. देखिए x हमारा साइड है, शॉर्टर साइड है, और साइड कभी नेगेटिव नहीं होता. लेंथ और ब्रेड्थ ऑफ एनी रेक्टेंगल कैन नॉट बी नेगेटिव. तो दैट इज, इसलिए इसको हमें करना पड़ेगा. दैट इज व्हाई दिस इज रिजेक्टेड. This is rejected. So what is left? X is equal to 90. X is equal to 90 left. So what is shorter side? (90 meters) and longer side, that is x plus 30, means 90 plus 30, 120 meters, and this is answer of this question. ये इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर है. शॉर्टर साइड इसकी 90 मीटर है और लॉन्गर साइड इसकी 30 मीटर है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. दो नंबर है और उनका टू नंबर्स का जो डिफरेंस लेंगे दोनों के स्क्वायर का, वो 180 है. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. Yes. देखिए, let one number be x, and other number be y. Given and the x number is greater than y. It is given x square minus y square, that is 180. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन में हमारे पास केवल एक ही वेरिएबल होना चाहिए, तो हम इस y वेरिएबल को हम इसको गायब हमको करना पड़ेगा. इट इज ऑल्सो गिवन that the square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Here larger number is x, smaller number is y. It is given that square of smaller number is equal to 8 times the larger number. So smaller number is y and that is x. So y square is 8x. Now combining first and second, we can say x square. In place of y square, we can write 8x, that is 180. देखिए, x square as it is, in place of y square we can write it is given square of a smaller number. Smaller number here is y, क्योंकि x greater है y से. X is larger number, y is smaller number. It is given that square of a smaller number is equal to 8 times the larger number. So y square is 8x, it is given. So in place of this y square, we can put here 8x. Now x square minus 8x minus 180 is equal to 0, and this is a required quadratic equation. Word problems में पहले हमें क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस फॉर्म करना होता है. Now we can factorize it. We can solve it by the method of factorization. The product of the two numbers should be 180, and then difference should be 8. So that means 18 and 10. So we can write here x square minus 18x minus 10x minus 180 is equal to 0. Taking x common, x minus 18, taking minus 10, sorry, this is plus. Minus 18 plus 10x, so taking plus 10 common, so x minus 18 is equal to 0. Therefore, again taking x minus 18 common, that is x plus 10, this is equal to 0. Therefore, either x minus 18 is 0 or x plus 10 is equal to 0. So, x is equal to 18 or x is equal to minus 10. क्या आपको लगता है किसी नंबर को हम रिजेक्ट कर सकते हैं? Yes. Yes. So, we can take here, we can find out the two numbers here. So, if I take x is equal to 18, so therefore, now we have to verify our result, and how to verify this is very, very important. If x is equal to 18, then we know y square is 8x. That is 8 into 18, that is 144. So y can be plus minus 12 because the square root of 144 is 12. So x can be, one number can be x 18, and other number can be plus minus 12. In other case, if in the second case, if we take x is equal to minus 10, एक number हमने minus 10 लिया, then y square is 8x. That is 8 into minus 10, that is minus 80. स्टूडेंट्स हमेशा ध्यान रखिएगा कि स्क्वायर ऑफ ए रियल नंबर इज नेवर नेगेटिव. किसी भी रियल नंबर का स्क्वायर नेगेटिव नहीं होता, कभी भी नेगेटिव नहीं होता है. नेवर नेगेटिव. And here square of this y is negative. So this is rejected, not possible. We can say this is rejected. फिर से देखिए क्या लिखा मैंने. A square of a real number is never negative. Please write down in your notebook. किसी भी रियल नंबर का स्क्वायर कभी भी नेगेटिव नहीं होता है. यहाँ पे y है, जो अदर नंबर है उसका स्क्वायर नेगेटिव आ रहा है, ये पॉसिबल नहीं है. It means we will have to reject this. That is rejected. Then what is left? Means the greater number is 18 and the smaller number can be plus 12 or minus 12. So we can write, therefore, the larger number is 18 and a smaller number can be plus 12 or minus 12. That is the answer of this question. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन में हम आंसर्स को, हम रूट्स को वेरीफाई करते हैं. वेरीफाई करना प्लीज ना भूलें. अगर ऐसा नहीं करेंगे तो एग्जामिनेशन में एग्जामिनर हमको मार्क्स नहीं दे पाता है. आई थिंक दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. A train travels 360 kilometer at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 kilometer per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. We know that the total distance is given 360 kilometer. Let total distance traveled that is 360 kilometer, and let the uniform speed of the train be x kilometer per hour, and then the increase speed that is x minus, sorry, increase or decrease speed, increase x plus 5 किलोमीटर पर आवर। वो कहता है कि अगर इसकी स्पीड 5 किलोमीटर पर आवर से बढ़ जाए तो पहले से जो टाइम लगता था वो 1 आवर में पहले से कम लगेगा। सो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, देखिए 360 upon x, that is usual time, distance upon speed, that is time, then that is decrease time, and the difference is 1. देखिए, we know the formula for the time, that is distance upon speed. ये हमें टाइम का फॉर्मूला होता है, दैट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर द टाइम। सो देखिए, डिस्टेंस इज 360 एंड स्पीड इज x, दैट इज यूजुअल टाइम। जैसे ही आप स्पीड को इंक्रीज करेंगे आपका टाइम कम लगेगा, बट नाउ अगेन द डिक्रीज टाइम इज 360 अपॉन x प्लस 5 बिकॉज द इंक्रीज स्पीड इज x प्लस 5, और दोनों का जो डिफरेंस दे रखा है वो 1 आवर दे रखा है। नाउ वी हैव टू सॉल्व इट, we have to convert first into the quadratic formula. So how to convert? So first of all, take 360 common, so that is 1 upon x 1. For the 360, take LCM, that is x plus 5 minus x, that is 1. Then this plus x minus x cancel. So further we can write 360 into 5, that is x square plus 5x, or further x square plus 5x, 360 into 5, that is 1800 is equal to 0. So this is our required quadratic equation. ये हमारे पास quadratic equation आ गया है, x square plus 5x minus 1800. Now you can solve it by the method of quadratic formula or by factorization method, लेकिन I'll be doing it by the method of factorization. ऐसे दो नंबर तलाशिए जिनका प्रोडक्ट 1800 है और जिनका डिफरेंस 5 है। मैं बताया कि अगर इफ द साइन बिफोर द ऑफ द कांस्टेंट टर्म इज नेगेटिव, देन वी हैव टू टेक द डिफरेंस दैट शुड बी इक्वल टू द मिडिल टर्म। ऐसे टू नंबर सर्च करिए, तलाशिए, पता करिए जिनका प्रोडक्ट 1800 है लेकिन उनका डिफरेंस 5 है, 45 एंड 14। देखिए इनका प्रोडक्ट 1800 है और डिफरेंस इनका 5 है, सो आई कैन राइट हियर एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 45x minus 40x minus 1800 is equal to 0. Again taking x common, x plus 45, taking minus 40 common, x plus 45 is 0. Again taking common x plus 45, x minus 40 is 0. Putting therefore x plus 45 is 0 or x minus 40 is 0. That is x is equal to minus 45 or x is equal to 40. What is x? X is the speed and speed cannot be negative. That is why this is rejected. x हमने स्पीड लिया है, यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड लिया है, स्पीड कभी नेगेटिव नहीं होती, डिस्टेंस नेगेटिव नहीं होती, किसी ट्राइंगल की साइड नेगेटिव नहीं होती, नेचुरल नंबर नेगेटिव नहीं होता. सो हमें क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन में जो रूट्स हम फाइंड आउट करते हैं उनको वेरीफाई करता है. देयरफॉर x इज इक्वल टू 40. एंड व्हाट इज x हियर? X, we have assumed that the speed of the train, that is means uniform speed of the train is x kilometer per hour, and here x is equal to 40. Therefore, the uniform speed or the speed of the train is equal to 40 kilometer per hour, and that is answer of this question. That's all for this question. Question number 9. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3/8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. देखिए दो टैप है यहाँ पे, ये जिसका स्मॉलर डायमीटर है, ये इसका लार्जर डायमीटर है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी राइट the smaller tap takes x hour to fill the tank. Therefore, in 1 hour, it will fill 1 upon x part of it. The larger tap takes x minus 10 hours to fill the tank. Therefore, in 1 hour, it will fill 1 upon x minus 10 part of the tank. Yes. ये दोनों मिलके both tank in 1 hour fill how much part? 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 10 part. Yes. दोनों मिलके 1 hour में इतना पार्ट फिल कर देंगे. 1/x part, ये जो smaller tab, and 1/x-10, that is larger tab, and both will 1/x plus 1/x-10 part. But it is given that in 9 by means 9 3/8 hours, it will be completely filled. Therefore, we can say here, therefore, given that, therefore, both tabs, sorry, will completely fill the tank. कंप्लीटली फिल द टैंक, एक कंसेप्ट आप समझिए, मीन्स 100% फिल कर देंगे. और 100% को जब फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, 100/100, दैट इज 1. सो वेन एवर इट इज कंप्लीटली फिल्ड मीन्स वन पार्ट इज फिल्ड, बिकॉज 100% को आप फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, दैट इज इक्वल टू 1. सो वी कैन राइट हियर, सो 9 3/8, दैट इज 1/x plus 1/x-10, that is completely filled. Completely filled means 100% filled. 100% filled means that is equal to 1. Please keep in mind. Now you can simplify it. Now we can simplify it. X minus 10 LCM, that is x minus 10 plus x, that is 1. So 2x minus 10, that is x square minus 10x, that is 8/75. Further, further simplification. Now it is up to you. You can simplify it. And further we can write left hand side 0, 8x square minus 80x minus 150x plus 750 is equal to 0, or 8x square minus 150x plus 750 is equal to 0. Now you can solve it by the method of quadratic formula or by method of comparing with the formula. Now we have to use here comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is 8, B is minus 150, and C is 750. आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी. ये थोड़ा सा इसका कैलकुलेशन बड़ा है. B square minus 4ac, that is minus 150 whole square minus 4 into 8 into 750. 15 15s are 225, so that is will be sorry, it is B is minus 230, so it will be minus 230 here. And so B square is minus 230 whole square minus 4 into A into C. 230 whole square is given by 523 का whole square करिए, 52900 and that will be 24000, and it will be 28900. Yes. So discriminant is this, and the square root of d will be square root of d. So square root of d is given by 289 into 100. That will be 170. 1770 is 289. Now using quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of d upon 2a. We have minus 230 plus minus 170 upon 2 into 8. So this can further be written as 230 plus 170 upon 16. One time plus, other time minus. Therefore, x can be written as 230 plus 170 upon 16, or x can be written as 230 minus 160 upon 16. On further simplification, it gives it gives it gives 230 plus 170 by 6. That is x is equal to, I think that is 25, or x can be, this can be written as 15 by 4. You can simplify it. But we have to verify now. We have to verify now that neglecting 15 by 4. देखिए ये हमारा जो आंसर था, why neglecting this? Why we are neglecting this? Because x minus 1 by 10, देखिए यहां पे देखिए, the larger tape takes x minus 10 hours. x minus 10 hours देखिए, तो मैं अगर इसमें से 15 बाई 4 माइनस 10 करूंगा तो दैट इज नेगेटिव. 15 minus 40 by 4, that is negative. And negative cannot be the number of hours to fill the tanks. So we have to reject this. So what is accepted? X is equal to 25. Therefore, the large small tape will take time 25 hours. Larger tab, that is x minus 10, that is 25 minus 10, that is 15 hours, and that is the answer of this question. Question number 10. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 kilometers between Mysore and Bangalore, without taking into consideration the time they stop at intermediate stations. If the average speed of the express train is 11 kilometers per hour more than the passenger train, find the average speed of the two trains. So late. You also do with me. The speed of the passenger train bx kilometer per hour, and the speed means average speed of the express train will be x plus 11 किलोमीटर पर आवर. इट इज ऑलरेडी गिवन कि ये जो एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन है उसका स्पीड पैसेंजर ट्रेन से 11 किलोमीटर ज्यादा. इट इज मोर देन दैट द पैसेंजर ट्रेन. इट मींस व्हाट इज गिवन हियर. गिवन दैट टाइम देखिए क्या है. टाइम टेकन बाय द मींस विच ट्रेन इज टेकिंग मोर टाइम. किसमें ज्यादा टाइम लग रहा है पहले तो ये देखना है. ये पैसेंजर ट्रेन में जब जिसकी स्पीड ज्यादा होती है उसको कम टाइम लगता है, जिसकी स्पीड कम होती है उसको ज्यादा टाइम लगता है. टाइम टेकन बाय पैसेंजर ट्रेन दैट इज 132 अपॉन एक्स minus time taken by the fast train means the express train that is x plus 11 and the difference is given by 1 hour. Yeah. One distance upon speed that is time. The formula of time is equal to distance upon speed. Now we have to simplify and verify the answers. Means how to calculate. You take a 132 common. That is 1 upon x upon 1 upon x plus 11. That is 1. 132. LCM is x into x plus 11. That is x plus 11 minus x. That is 1. Further simplification. 132, open the bracket, x plus 11 minus x, and that is x square plus 11x, that is 1. Plus x minus x cancel. So that is 132 into 11, that is x square plus 11x. 132 into 11, can you multiply? That will be 1452 is equal to x square or we can write x square plus 11x minus 1452 is equal to 0. Now you have two ways. Either you can use the method of factorization. Yes. देखिए यहाँ पे ऐसे दो नंबर सर्च करिए जिनका डिफरेंस 11 हो और प्रोडक्ट हो 1452. That can be taken by 44 and 33. So we can write here x square plus 44x minus 33x minus 1452 is equal to 0. Further we can write x as it is, x plus 44 minus 33, x plus 44 is equal to 0. So x minus 33 into x plus 44 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 33 is equal to 0 or x plus 44 is equal to 0. Or we can say x is equal to 33 or x is equal to minus 44. Here x is the speed. Speed cannot be negative. So x minus 44, that is rejected. So what is left? X is equal to 33. So now we can say, therefore, the speed of the passenger train, that is x, or x is 33 kilometer per hour, answer. And the speed of the express train, that is x plus 11, or x plus 11 means 33 plus 11, that is 44 kilometer per hour, answer. That's all for this question. स्पीड पैसेंजर ट्रेन का 33 किलोमीटर पर आवर होगा, और एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन का जो स्पीड है दैट इज 44 किलोमीटर पर आवर. Question number 11. Sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meter square. If the difference of their perimeters is 24 meter, find the side of the two squares. देखिए ये दो स्क्वायर्स है, yes और this on this. Let its side is x and its side is y. That is x, that is x, that is x, because all sides are equal. Its area is x square and its area is y square, and that is given 468. So let the sides of the two squares be x meter and y meter respectively. And it is also given that x is greater than y. Also given perimeter of this square, that is 4 into x, means 4x, perimeter of the smaller square, that is 4y. So 4x minus 4y, that is given 24. ये दे रखा है. If the difference of their perimeter is 24 meter, perimeter of this square is x plus x plus x plus x. Perimeter means sum of all four sides. And perimeter of this smaller square is y plus y plus y plus y, 4y. Taking 4 common, x minus y is 24, or x minus y is 6, or y is equal to x minus 6. So putting the value of y in this, x whole square plus x minus 6 whole square is 468. On further simplification, that is x square plus x square minus 12x plus 36 is equal to 468. So x square, sorry, 2x square minus 12x plus 36, that is 468, is equal to 0. And finally, we can write here, that is 2x square minus 12x minus 432 is equal to 0. Taking 2 common, dividing both side by 2, we have here x square minus 6x, that is minus 216 is equal to 0. Now we have to factorize it by splitting the middle term. The product of the two numbers should be 216 and difference should be 6. That is, we can say 18 and 12. So x square minus 18x plus 12x minus 216 is equal to 0. On further simplification, x minus 18 plus 12, x minus 18 is equal to 0. So x minus 18 and x plus 12 is equal to 0. Putting each factor equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 18 is equal to 0 or x plus 12 is equal to 0. It means x is equal to 18 or x is equal to minus 12. 12 cannot be, minus cannot be the side of a square. So this is rejected. Therefore, x is 18 meters and y is given by x minus 6, that is 18 minus 6 is equal to 12 meters. Therefore, sides of the two squares will be or are 18 meter and 12 meter respectively. And this is the answer of this question. Thank you. That's all for this exercise.